Get ready to discover 20 insanely useful Amazon tools that'll make you wonder, how was I living without this? From smart problem solvers to oddly satisfying tools, these products save time, fix daily headaches, and make life way easier. The Ridgid 18-volt subcompact brushless quarter sheet. Sander may look small, but this thing sands like it has anger issues. With powerful performance, variable speed control, and reduced vibration, it smooths rough surfaces without turning your hands into a human massage machine on maximum speed. CZ's electric weed puller yanks weeds straight from the root while you stay standing like the lazy gardening king you were born to be. With its powerful 3-claw grip, smooth weed eject, safety switch, and lithium battery, it makes weeding fast, easy, and way less old uncle in the garden vibes. Craig's loose tenon joiner makes woodworking feel less DIY disaster and more professional carpenter energy. It cuts clean hidden mortises fast, runs cordless for easy movement, and uses auto-centering guides with quick adjustments so your projects stay strong, aligned, and free from the classic "why is this table wobbling?" problem. Matco's Gen 2 Hyper-Step Drill Bit Set drills through metal so fast it feels personally offended by resistance. It cuts up to 70% faster, stays sharp way longer, and skips pilot holes completely. Perfect for mechanics, DIY lovers, and anyone tired of drills that sound busy but achieve absolutely nothing. Textra 11 Apex is the cordless carpet cleaner for people who spill first and panic later. Lightweight, quiet, and super easy to carry, it cleans rugs, sofas, car seats, and fresh messes fast. Plus, the self-cleaning feature means less dirty work for you and fewer modern art stains on your carpet. Yurth's Smart Step drill bit drills through steel and cast iron so smoothly, it feels like the metal just gave up. It works even on curved surfaces without centering, needs less force, makes clean holes fast, and comes in a neat Orsi case. Because even drill bits deserve better organization than your kitchen drawer. The Grid Router Guide is basically a cheat code for perfect woodworking layouts. It creates precise 4-inch dovetail grids without measuring, marking, or the usual "wait, that line looks crooked" panic. Perfect for benches, jigs, sleds, and fixtures, it keeps your shop projects clean, accurate, and looking way more professional than your skill level. STIHL's IFSA14 cordless brush cutters bring serious cutting power without feeling like you're carrying a small motorcycle on your shoulder. Lightweight, balanced, and packed with 3 power modes, they handle thick grass and brush easily. With versatile blade options and a wide cutting area, your jungle-looking yard finally stands no chance. The Tenon tools. Tile Beater makes tile installation look way easier than those 5-minute DIY videos online. With adjustable vibration up to 15,000 revolutions per minute, a digital display, and strong lifting power, it helps place tiles smoothly, evenly, and without the classic "oops, now it's crooked" moment. The Yato portable power station is basically a giant power bank that said, "Phone charging is too easy, give me a real challenge." With 2,232 watt-hours capacity and 2,400 watts output, it powers tools, camping gear, and emergency devices with ease. Perfect for blackouts, outdoor trips, or surviving that one friend who never charges anything. The electric rotating base provides smooth, 360-degree motorized positioning for laser levels, with remote control operation up to 30 meters, automatic height adjustment, fine-tuning control, and up to 22 hours of battery life, built for accurate layout, framing, cabinetry, tiling, and construction alignment work. This Orbital Polisher gives your car that smooth, mirror-like shine without leaving weird swirl marks that look like modern art. With wide speed control, constant power under pressure, and a soft start system, polishing feels smooth and controlled. Plus, The ergonomic grip and included pads make detailing way less tiring and way more satisfying. The Ridgid Compact Crimping Tool delivers fast, reliable crimping in tight spaces with its lightweight design, slim body, and 350-degree rotating head. It supports copper, stainless steel, plastic, and multi-layer materials with quick 3 to 4 second cycles and a built-in force sensor for consistent results. These aluminium-cut carbide burrs remove metal so fast it feels like the aluminium offended them personally. Built for smooth cutting on non-ferrous metals, their special tooth design reduces clogging, improves control, and makes shaping, deburring, and finishing feel clean, easy, and weirdly satisfying to watch. The CZI T7 Max is like the Swiss Army knife of car tools: inflator, vacuum, and flashlight all packed into one compact gadget. Whether it's a flat tire, snack crumbs everywhere, or fixing stuff in the dark like a low-budget action hero, this tool keeps you ready for roadside chaos anytime. The Lexivon Butane Soldering Iron Kit is a cordless, self-igniting tool for soldering, heating, and torch work. With adjustable flame control, 7 tips, a durable refillable metal tank, and up to 75 minutes of runtime, it is built for precise portable performance on professional and DIY projects. The Tormek case is for people who are tired of their workshop looking like tools survived a small explosion. It keeps sharpening jigs and accessories neatly organized, protected, and easy to carry. With a durable, stackable design and transparent lid, finding the right tool finally stops feeling like a treasure hunt. Bond Eats Extreme Pro. Window and door. Foam seals gaps so well, even dust will start feeling unwelcome. This low-expansion foam gives precise, mess-free insulation around windows and doors with strong adhesion and water resistance. Plus, once it cures, you can trim, sand, and paint it like the gap never existed in the first place. The Welding Inverter delivers efficient, stable welding with IGBT technology, strong arc ignition, and reliable performance on rusted surfaces. With digital control, hot start, anti-stick function, multiple protections, and a professional cooling system, it is a practical choice for entry-level and everyday welding work. This Oscillating Blades Kit cuts through nails, bolts, and hard metals like it's settling old grudges. With premium carbide edges and 3 universal fit blades, it's built for tough multi-tool jobs without giving up halfway like cheap blades that die after one dramatic cut. That's it for today's crazy Amazon tool discoveries. If even one of these made you go "Mujhe ye chahiye," then smash that like button, save this video, and share it with that friend who buys random tools at 2 a.m. More useful and mind-blowing finds coming soon.